I want to talk to you about load boards for box trucks. And this year, if you have a box truck and you want to make revenue on a consistent basis, you got to really incorporate into your analysis load boards. And so here's a rundown I want you to think about. So first, truck stop. So truck stop is actually the quintessential load board for box trucks. What we love about those load board is that it really offers a great area of features at a very competitive price. So while the basic plan costs about $4 to $5 more per month than direct freight, the interface is far more robust. So if you're thinking about a load board for box trucks, you want to think about box truck, especially their interface, the interface for direct freight. Okay, the site's advanced plan costs about $125, in some cases $150, and it gives box truck owners, truckers, and cargo van drivers more access to both broker credit and days to pay data. And they also have a top tier plan that costs about $149 to $175, but that plan is jam packed with useful tools. So, but before you go for the top tier plan, you want to really generate revenue from your box truck to be able to afford that. Okay, so we love the fact that Truck Stop actually offers you a mix of features and value. So if you have a box truck company and you have been in the business for a while and you are generating a consistent revenue, you might want to think about Truck Stop. So we love the fact that with tax trap load board for box trucks, you have a broker credit data, you have a broker credit data, you have a days to pay information. So days to pay information is kind of important because when it comes to revenue management, you want to have a clear idea how much you might expect to generate if you go with a certain load. So days to pay information is really important, especially when it comes to assessing the credibility and the reputation of a certain broker or a certain shipper. And you also have a rate insight, so you have a clear idea what the rate sort of encompasses. That's really cool. So, my long story short, you might have to spend some money. So we are going all the way to $175 for the highest price. So something to keep in mind. The second load board for box trucks, I want you to really think about is U-Ship. So when you think about U-Ship, I want you to think about flexibility. I want you to think about efficiency. I want you to think about scalability. So U-Ship is pretty interesting as a load board for box trucks because it has a pricing structure that allows you to pay as you go, and also the option to set your own rate. That's really ideal for many. So you can get notified in real time when new loads are available, so you can be on the road when you want to be with your box truck. And their user-friendly mobile app helps you streamline operations and spend less time dealing with hassles, especially when you have a box truck. A box truck can be box truck delivery can be a very competitive sort of a space. So having a load board you can trust to actually feed you consistently and continuously loads or load information is a great thing to have. So we love the fact that U-Ship is a great box truck load board for setting your own rate. I want to talk to you about the special features that you can really expect to have as you go through U-Ship. Well, you are able to filter available loads by type of shipment, locations, and dates. You can save filters and get notified when a new load is available. And there is a special feature within U-Ship that's called Along Your Route. So the Along Your Route search tool is kind of cool because you are able to make your own lane, avoid deadhead trips and backhauls. You can actually set your own rates. You have thousands of available loads daily. The availability of loads is really interesting on U-Ship because then, especially when you actually talk about very competitive sectors, very competitive geographies, having the ability to have hundreds, if not thousands, of loads, that's really cool. You are able to find shipments based on your equipment. So if you have anything other than a box truck, you can still actually find loads. And you have a streamlined U-Ship mobile app available to you also in terms of, that's what I was talking about a little earlier when I said efficiency and also flexibility. Now, one thing you need to really understand is that the customer service is currently lacking on U-Ship, and the pricing is not always optimal, especially if you're looking for a load board for your box truck. But long story short, when you think about U-Ship as your load board for your box truck, the pricing is free until transportation is secure. So this is something to really think about. I want to talk to you about direct freight. So this is a third load board for box trucks I want to talk to you about. So when you think about direct freight, think about an incredibly user-friendly platform that makes it very easy to find box truck loads. And it is a great tool. It is a great platform for tech-savvy professional drivers and less tech-fluent drivers as well. So it doesn't matter the level of sophistication, the level of technological sophistication you have, you can still use direct freight, not a problem. Okay, the site's free load board is one of the best no-cost options out there, especially when it comes to box trucks. It also offers a premium version of less than $40 per month. Now, direct freight is not as expensive as, for instance, Truck Stop, but it's not as sophisticated as Truck Stop either. So we love the fact that direct freight actually offers you affordability. So if you're looking for a load board for box trucks that's really affordable, that can really feed you load information on a consistent basis at a very affordable price, you want to think about direct freight. So now let me give you some special features when we analyze the direct freight. Well, you have custom search parameters. Custom search parameters are kind of important, especially if you want to get in touch with specific shippers. For instance, let's say you have dealt with this shipper in the past, or you were looking for shippers who are near where you are hauling from, like near your location. So this custom search parameters are really good. They will help you a lot. And you also have a new load alerts. Now, new load alerts can actually come to you via email, via text message, but also via the app itself. So you can see an alert on the app. You also have an average days to pay listed for each broker. So this is kind of cool because, again, going back to what I said earlier, it's important because you want to really deal with reputable brokers only, because the last thing you want is to actually drive and really deliver everything and then to get paid. The people are playing games with you, right? You don't want to have those shenanigans. So you want to make sure that you check the average days to pay for each broker and see which one have played games in the past and which one are, reputable. So the pricing, in terms of pricing, I want you to think about an average number like of $30 to $50. This is something you need to keep in mind. I want to talk to you about Trucker Path. So Trucker Path is a great load board for box trucks. And one thing you need to really think about Trucker Path, and if you remember, I was telling you about direct freight being really good for flexibility. Trucker Path is also good in terms of scalability. Now, on Trucker Path, you have a load board for box trucks, a load board for trucks, a load board for cargo vans. And that's really cool. Now, there are several different free load boards for box trucks out there. However, Trucker Path stands out because it really includes a mobile app for both Android and Apple devices. And that's really good. Why? Because you want to basically, let's say you have a fleet, for instance, and you have many drivers actually driving. I mean, many drivers with many vehicles, and some have let's say an iPhone, and some have an Android phone. So what you want to do is having this flexibility with a mobile app. This is kind of cool because those drivers can those drivers can be connected all the time. And so what we love about the app also is that the app can send alerts about new loads, allow you to communicate with brokers, and make life easier away from your desktop. And that's what you want in the first place, right? You want to be able to actually track shipments along the way. So that's really good. So when you think about Trucker Path, I want you to think about a load board for box trucks that really offers free load searches. So that's really good. Now, there are some special features that you will love. For instance, you have a mobile app. So mobile app, that's really fantastic. You have a dispatch services. You have navigation tools. And one thing I want to say is that Trucker Path actually, they're doing the load board for free because behind Trucker Path, you have software. So this is how they make their money. I mean, Trucker Path is a more sophisticated software tool for your box truck, for your cargo van, for your truck, and so on and so forth. So they're offering the load board for free, so that they are basically drawing new customers onto their product. So I mean, listen, if you were to ask me, this is a great strategy, because the whole idea is to actually create exposure, and this is what Trucker Path really does really well. Next, I want to talk to you about the 123 load board. This is another wonderful load board for box trucks, and so we love the fact that basically 123 load board is really great in terms of giving you loads based on the type of load, but also the geography. So as you can see on the screen here, you can see that basically they're giving you based on the dates, they're giving you the location, and also the whether you have a flatbed or a reefer or whatever it is. I mean, they give you the type of load, so that's really good. So and even better, the team at 123 Load Board has been operating a marketplace for independent shippers since 2004, including box truck owners. And so they have actually a partner with more than 30 to 50 different companies in the logistics business to really develop deeper and analytic intelligence and optimize the services for their membership. So what they do is that right now they have also they're using artificial intelligence to sort of track some loads for box trucks. So that's really good. And what we love about 123 Load Board is that you have a constellation of services, including mileage tracking, real-time load alerts, and rate check tools. Now, the rate check tools are kind of cool because, again, the last thing you want is to actually interact with a broker or interact with a shipper, and then you realize that they have a payment problems. So 123 Load Board actually allows you to circumvent this sort of problem, at least anticipate it and really solve it. So that's really good. And in terms of pricing, we love the fact that 123 Load Board is pretty affordable. So you have three options: $35, $35 to $40, $45 to $50, and $55 to $60. So you have and those three options are constantly sort of added new innovation, new features, new capabilities. So you choose your pricing model based on your needs, really, when you think about it. Let me talk to you about the taxes here. So when we talk about the load boards for box trucks, it's important to really understand that load boards for box trucks are not different from load boards in general. In other words, a load board is really a virtual freight marketplace, right? So brokers and shippers alike often use load boards, including load boards for box trucks, for the purpose of advertising available work opportunities. And what happens here is that everything is streamlined. So when you go on a load board, everything is streamlined. So typically, carriers will need to purchase a subscription to view the loads that are posted by shippers and brokers, and shippers can contact brokers as well as fellow shippers when they find box trucks loads that they want to haul. They can make pickup arrangements, request additional information, and negotiate the shipping process. Everything happens in a very streamlined fashion, and the best load boards for box trucks facilitate actually a communication and provide carriers with important information about each shipper's reputation. So that's really cool. And so how can you really benefit from load boards if you have a box truck right now and you listen to me? Well, load boards for box trucks offer many benefits. So by using a load board, you can accomplish a number of tasks and benefit in the number of ways. In other words, you can acquire loads faster. You can minimize between loads. You can find high-paying contracts. You can forge new relationships with brokers and shippers. I mean, that's important if you are trying to, let's say, when we talk about business development for your box truck, you gotta have those relationships with brokers and shippers. You get your name out there, especially if you are in a very competitive market, and you can grow your business. And so, basically, the load boards that I've shown to you today, really are not just specific to box trucks. Many different types of load boards are designed specifically to help you find loads for box trucks. And so the load boards that I just shared with you into this conversation, They may or may not include shipments that can be hauled using box trucks. In most cases, brokers and carriers will use box trucks to facilitate the expedient delivery of high priority goods. So if you let's say if you want other type if you want to really put other types of freight vehicles on the market, you may need to use multiple load boards. You can use one load board to book shipments for your box trucks and a separate board to arrange jobs for your standard semi trucks. And so what I want to say also is that the load boards actually are really great because they allow carriers to compete against larger companies for contracts, even if they have far fewer resources. So that's really good in terms of leveling the playing field in the long run. So we love that aspect of things a lot. Let me give you the consideration before we close to this conversation. So there are certain things to consider with load boards and for box trucks. So when searching for the best load boards for box trucks, you should consider all of the following factors. So contract length, daily loads, cost, and the trustworthiness of brokers and shippers, and also additional features. So the contract length. So virtually every load board provider uses a tiered subscription model. So cheaper plans only include basic features, whereas more costly subscriptions provide robust tools. And the most load board providers offer month-to-month contracts. However, some providers will offer substantial discounts if you pay for an entire year of access to their load board. And if you find a great provider, you may want to consider opting for a year-long subscription, as it can help you save some cash. Also, daily loads. So before signing up for a load board subscription, it's important to know how many loads the platform typically features on average day. Ideally, you want a load board with a big number of daily loads, meaning you'll have plenty of jobs to choose from throughout the week. Also, the costs are important, right? Generally, load boards, especially for box trucks, only charge a flat monthly subscription fee. However, you should be also wary of cancellation charges or hidden fees, so you want to carefully read each load board provider's terms and conditions before signing up. Also, when we talk about the trustworthiness of brokers and shippers, that's another important criterion, because the best box truck load boards provide detailed information about shippers and brokers. If you remember earlier, I was just talking to you about days to pay. The days to pay info is kind of important. And so when we talk about detailed information, top options include shipper and broker reviews, credit ratings, and other data that will help you vet positive clients before accepting jobs. And in terms of additional features, some load boards, such as a few options included on our list today, they offer features like spot market rates, real-time load searches. So that's really cool. You have IFTA fuel tax calculators. You have mileage and map tools. So bottom line here is that you are able to make your decision in all granularity, but also in all clarity. So that's really cool to think about. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I spoke to you about load boards for box trucks. So here's a rundown. So you have a truck stop, U-ship, direct freight, trucker path, and 123 load board. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.